Pegando a minha.
Prema, what we always say is like Bhakta, Bhakti and Bhagavan. So Bhakti or Prema, it's some also like personality or it's energy, like, or what is this?
Which one?
Prema, Bhakti, like Prema. It's like Prema, it's a person or it's an energy, like, or I don't know, maybe not proper person.
What is the pain?
Posso usar a sua?
When bhakti mature, that is called bhav. When bhav mature, that is the pain.
It's like a feeling or...
Like flowers, bud. Bud, understand? Then blossom. And then completely blossom. This way. You understand or no? What do you understand? Bhav, Ankur, that is called the Rati. First coming Rati. Rati means deep attachment towards Krishna. That is called Rati. Rati mature, that is called Bhav. Or Bhav mature, that is called Prema. This is the process also. Four flowers, that is called bud and completely closed. Then little bit blossom. Not really. That is called Bhav. Bhav, that is called Vikasit. Then Purna Vikasit. Ankuram, Ankur, mane Rati. Or Bhav, that is called Vikasit. Blossom. Not blossom completely. Then Purna Vikasit, that is called plain. Read that thing. Fala, Portuguese. Who translate Portuguese?
I will translate now, but I did not understand.
You did not understand? 30 years what you are doing.
Primeiro ele tem baba, é tipo como se fosse broto que ele ainda não brotou.
Desabrochou.
Então primeiro tem os estágios, né? Baba e trema. Então antes do trema tem como se fosse broto e ele ainda vai desabrochar, né? Vai virar uma flor.
This is the thing. Actually, this is coming first. That is called Shraddha. Shraddha faith. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Amartya Mukti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti. After Asakti, then Roti. Don't talk. Not understanding nothing. After Asakti, then Roti. Roti actually that is called the Ankur, that is called bud. Then Roti, when Roti will be more mature, that is called Bhav. Bhav mature, that is called Prem. Answer, this is the Prem. But coming from where? Shraddha. And Shraddhavan Jan Haran Bhakti Adhikari. Who has Shraddha, he is qualified to practice devotion service to Lord. Bhakti. Give an example as the tree and with his roots taking the water. The water is going in where? In the leaves. Then their leaves making the what is called food. Then food, so going to all the whole limbs of the tree. That is called science. That is called Salok Sanses Prakriya. What is it? Salok Sanses Prakriya. You understand? Either this is the thing. All the trees that taking the tree or the water from the root. All the food taking from the root. But they cannot direct the digest. They are going to the leaves. Leaves are the cooking. How is it cooking? Rays of the sun. Understand? He is buying or is you are buying the grains or everything from the market. Buying or not? Then after buying, what you will do? Cook. But how to cook? With the oven and this. After when properly cook, then you distribute the devotees. Understand? You buying the rice from the market. You cannot, raw rice cannot eat. So cooking. After cooking, then offering Thakurji, then you distribute the devotees. Good. In the same way, the trees also they do this way. Trees duty is the roots. Trees roots duty to collect the all kinds of ingredients, water or fertilizer, thing, or the other, and then they send the leaves. Leaves then cooking. Leaves the duty is they cook, with the rays of sun. And cooking. After cooking, again distribute the whole body of the tree. Then body will be. In the same way, in our bhakti, first that is called Shraddha. So saying this Shraddha. Shraddha means from faith. Shraddhavan Jan Han Bhakti Adhikari. है श्रद्धास्तु अनन्यपायो वर्जनम भक्ति मुखी चित्त वृत्ति विशेष Jiva Goswami Pada explain this is the topmost definition about bhakti. Shraddhastu anannapaya varjana. Anannapaya means give up all kinds of activities of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, austerity, they are not the limbs of bhakti. Understand? People are using karma, yoga, ashtanga yoga. Actually, that is not the limbs of bhakti. Jnana, acquire the knowledge. That is not the bhakti. Sometimes they also just supporting on that. To bhakti. They are not actual giving bhakti to. And if you acquire the knowledge, learn shastra. You are learning shastra. So what happened? Ravan also he learned many shastra. All shastra, you know. Most of the demons, they also very learned and scholars. Understand? You can see Mahabharata, Ramayana, or Bhagavad, everywhere. Most of the demons, they are very learned and scholars. They are not ordinary person. Very learned. Yoga, tapasya. They did many also yogas. Tapasya means austerities. If you yoga tapasya, if you get many kinds of mystic power automatically come. Get. Anima, Lagima, many kinds of. So Gyan, Yoga, Tapasya, this is not the limbs of bhakti. They are not limbs of bhakti. Bhakti is another thing. Bhakti that is directly connected with Lord. Bhakti means bhajyate sebbate iti bhakti. Seva bhakti. How to give the exclusive pleasure to Krishna. So bhakti is the last fraction. Fraction, understand? Smallest part. That is called Shraddha. Actually, this Shraddha, faith coming from where? Maybe question will come. Actually, this Shraddha, faith, everything coming from the mercy of Guru and Krishna. So for the Guru Krishna, Prasade Pai, Bhakti Lata Bij. Bhakti Lata Bij, seed of Bhakti Lata, that is called Krishna Seva Vasana. These are to serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva Vasana. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain what is Shraddha. Jiva Goswami Pad giving the definition about Shraddha. What Shraddha? Jiva Goswami, what did he say? Are you not learning anything? Learn. Shraddhastu anannapayo varjanam bhakti unmukhi chitta vritti vishesha. That is called Shraddha. Shraddhastu anannapayo varjanam. Ananna means give up all kinds of activities of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Give up. Only bhakti unmukhi vritti. Bhakti unmukhi tendency to serve to Krishna. That type of activity is called Shraddha. Shraddhastu annapaya varjana bhakti unmukhi vritti vishesha. This is the definition of Sri Jiva Goswami Pada. Or Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada. Shraddha. What do you say? Krishna Seva Vasana. These are to serve to Krishna. Very simple. Krishna Seva Vasana. But this Krishna Seva Vasana, these are to serve to Krishna. This is coming from Guru and Krishna. So Mahaprabhu is saying, this is the word of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is saying, Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death, very extreme fortune living entities, they will get the Shraddha, that is called Bhakti Lata, Bij. Bij means seed. Eh? Understand? So maybe your question will come. And seed coming first or fruits coming first? Huh? Understand? Where will get the seed? From the fruits. Mango fruit. They inside the mango or is that? Seed. So first seed or first fruit? Very confusion comes. Without fruits you cannot get the seed. And without seed you cannot get the fruits also. Because seed coming, then tree, then will come, then you will get the fruits. This is the process also. So which one first? Seed first or fruits first? And this is the conclusion. This is very complicated. But in our transcendental world, everything is possible. So first is coming the seed of Bhakti Lata. Bhakti Lata Bij. Krishna Seva Vasana. The Krishna Seva Vasana coming from the heart of Guru and Krishna. Padi. Brahmanda Brahmite Kano Bhagavan Jeev. Guru Krishna Prasad Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Mali Haiya Sei Bij Kare Aropan. Shravan Kirtan Jale Karaho Sechan. And actually, this is what when the jiva is manifested from Shakti, marginal potential of Lord, Shakti. That time, the one kinds of potential in the heart of the jivas. You have everything. Understand? But with the association of sadhu, guru, then it will be manifest. So Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kabhu Noy Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Karo Uday. Uday means to manifest. You have everything. But that is very, very what is called? Minute. With the association of sadhu, guru, Vaishnava, that will be manifest. So saying Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Mali Haiya Sei Bij Kare Aropan. Shravan Kirtan Jale Karaho Sechan. Krishna Seva Vasana. Actual bhakti, that is called the combined from Sambit and Hladini Shakti. Sambit and Hladini Shakti. Sambit means transcendental knowledge. Hladini means transcendental bliss. So, Sambit and Hladini manifest on the platform of Sandhini. Then Bhakti Devi comes. This is the process. So, Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Bhakti Lata Bij this. So in the same way, Shraddha. First is coming Shraddha. Faith. This faith increasing. Then to Sadhu Sangha. Then after Sadhu Sangha, then Bhajana Kriya. Then Anartha Nivritti. Then Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Roti, then Bhav and Prem. This is the sequence. But in this way, there are many also activities are there also. Shraddha, we are saying Shraddha many times also. Shraddha means Vishwas. Shastra Guru Bhakta Vishwas. These are of faith of the instruction of Guru Bhakta and Shastra Bhakta. Vishwas. This is coming. First need the faith. And what Gurudev is saying, this is absolutely true. This faith is coming. And this Shraddha also again two types. What is that? One is called Lokiki Shraddha, another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. Loki, they have worldly faith, etiquette. Understand? Etiquette. Etiquette, you would go to Guru Vaishnava, do pranam or not? Nahaja, Gari, Dhanava. Hey, pranam.
Yeah.
So for the my Gurudev was jar nahi, kandak gyan, tar hai, dibba gyan. Who has no common sense. So how possible? And he attain to the bhakti. Constantly. Jar nahi, jar nahi, kandak gyan. Kandak means common sense. Jar nahi, kandak gyan, tar hai, dibba gyan. Kandak gyan means common sense. Understand? Common sense. Common sense means that is called simple Vaishnava etiquette. Simple Vaishnava etiquette. Understand? If you do Vaishnava, do pranam. Understand? There is the simple way. So first that is called, what do you say? Lokiki Shraddha. Shraddha today, meaning Lokiki Shraddha. After Lokiki Shraddha, then Paramarthiki Shraddha will come. Spiritual faith. That is what? Paramarthiki Shraddha. If I listen Hari Katha, serve Guru and Vaishnava, then my life will be successful. Understand? This is it. After Shraddha, Paramarthiki Shraddha, also this Shraddha, Paramarthiki Shraddha, again also two types. One is called Vaidhi Shraddha, and it is called Raganuga Shraddha. Many times we explain this. Vishwanath Chakravarti by Madhurya Kadamini Grantha. Explain none. Leaves, before leaves, what is called? Unfold. And that time also, that very closely there. But that two side, what is called? Rubbed. And that is called Vaidhi. Or when that is completely folded, that time also this side, which side is very soft and smooth, that is called Raganuga Bhakti. Or this side, rubbed, that is called Vaidhi Bhakti. But first when they coming this way, you notice. So when this is completely unfold going, that is automatically this wrapped side going to the down, or this side going up. First you are going coming this way by this way. Then when with the listen Hari Katha, then greed will come, then automatically Raganuga Bhakti will come. So Bhakti is also this. One is called Raganuga Shraddha, and it is called Vaidhi Shraddha. Then assistant to Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha means you listen Hari Katha. Sammag Rupena Gamanam. So far this is got Sajatya Asa Snipto Sato Vare Srimad Bhagavatam Asado Rasikaisha. Listen Srimad Bhagavat Katha. Here the Rupa Goswami Pad intends this word. Which Katha? Srimad Bhagavat Katha. Always I give intents. If you not listen Bhagavat Katha, how possible Raganuga Bhakti will come? If you want to Braj Raganuga Bhakti, you have to listen Srimad Bhagavat Katha. Nigama kalpataruru galita phalam sukam khadamrita dravasam jutam pibata bhagavata ras malayam muhuroho rasika bhuvi. Very nice. So this is the glorification of Srimad Bhagavatam. And Srimad Bhagavat, that is called the fruits of Veda Kalpa Vriksha. Veda is called Kalpa Vriksha. Kalpa Vriksha is the desert tree. And Vedas many kathas is there. According to their adhikar, Vedas in Karma Kanda, Gyan Kanda, Bhakti Kanda, everything is there. And Veda, how many Vedas? 4 Vedas. How many Vedas? 4. How many Vedas? 4. Rik, Sam, Jaju and Atharva Veda. Vedas is also, everything is there. Karma Kanda, Gyan Kanda, Bhakti Kanda is there. Because, so that is called the Vedas, that is called as like Kalpa Vriksha, desert tree. According to desert, that fruits will come. And so Veda Kalpa Vriksha's fruits, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. And that fruits are very sweet and ripened. And there are no any skin.
No seeds.
No need to peel. Even inside no seed also. Look at it. And there is, and also only rasa rasamalayam. Inside only very nice sweet condensed, what is called juice. Nigamakalpa galita palang sukha mukhadamrita drava samjitam. And that fruit completely ripened. Then one very big parrot touched the beak, and then falling down. But how is falling down? But the inside no seed, no skin. So if it fall down, then it will be what? Crushed. Either there, you see, and also fruits.
Yeah.
And when ripe and falling down, they completely crushed. But this fruits is coming from Golok Vrindavan. Very far from. These fruits coming from where? Golok Vrindavan. Very far. So how is coming? In our disciplic succession, Guru Parampara. Srimad Bhagavad is Rasamalayam. If the fruits ripen and touched by the beak of the parrot, and so taste will come. That means Srimad Bhagavatam very sweet also. And this Srimad Bhagavatam recited by Sukadeva Goswami Pada. Sukha mukhadamrita drava samjitam. Sukha means Sukadeva Goswami Pada. Because before many persons they also recited Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavad Katha recited by many persons. First recited by who? You know? You don't know. So Lord Narayana himself. Srimad Bhagavad Katha. Lord Narayana told to Lakshmi Devi. How many years? I think, how many months? 1 month or 2 months. Then Lakshmi Devi, she told to Narayan. What did I listen to? They repeated. 1 month. So in this way, Srimad Bhagavad Katha many times also recited. So for this there are many sitting. The Sanskrit word that is called
Samvad.
Adhivesan. Bhagavad Katha Adhivesan. Adhivesan means many people sitting together and speaking. That is called Adhivesan. Bhagavad Katha Adhivesanam. Understand? You remember this. You forget what you will say. Many Adhivesan sitting are there. Not only one. Or say then again Krishna told Narayan told to Brahmaji. Brahmaji told to Narad Rishi, Narad told to Vyasa, Krishna iti Chaturmukh, Bhavan Krishna Sevanamukh, Brahma iti Naradi Ramati, Naradi. In this way, the Srimad Bhagavad Katha many times. And so many types of sitting. Sitting Sanskrit word, that is, sitting means that is called, Sanskrit, that is called Adhivesanam. Understand? Adhivesan Bhagavad Katha. But mainly we also discuss this Adhivesan, three Adhivesan. That three Adhivesan, that is called Vyasa Narad Sangvad, the conversation between Narad Rishi and Vyasadeva. That Adhivesan, and also on the bank of the Saraswati river. First, this Adhivesan also. Srimad Bhagavatam explained this way. Or then another Suk Parikshit Sangvad, the Adhivesan of Suk and Parikshit. That is in the bank of the Ganges. That is called Suk Parikshit Sangvad, the conversation between Sukdev Goswami Pad and Parikshit Maharaj. Suk Parikshit Sangvad. And now we are listening to this Bhagavad Katha. They are sitting Adhivesan, that is called on the bank of Gomati river, Namisaran. Or the Srimad Bhagavatam, first written this word. Ekada Namisaranne, Ekada Nimisa Nimisaranne. It is written this one. You read Srimad Bhagavatam, first word. This is the Namisaran. Where is the Namisaran? On the bank of Gomati river. And if you go Ajodhya, after Ajodhya, then that place we went or not. And we also first time we went. And what that time is that? And COVID time. Understand? Many devotees, we have no place to stay. Especially Western devotees, any dharmasala they did not allow. They are afraid. Oh, they are bringing the COVID. What would do? Where would stay? Before we 3 months, 4 months before we booked. But when we arrived, they kicked out. Well, no. Understand? We are afraid what to do. That, and after Navadvip Parikrama, we came in, that's the place. We came in Ajodhya, 2 buses. Where will stay? They return back our money. No. Oh, they are here and they are there. Anyhow, and everybody are staying same place, some place, Basti and some. But we already took darshan. Went to Namisaran also. Everybody afraid. Oh. Then when we return back, then lockdown. When we return back, then lockdown. Lockdown. No. So just remember these things. Namisaran. Now we are listening this Bhagavad Kathamritam. Actually, this is called Sutta Sonakadi Sangvad. The conversation between Sutta Goswami Pad and Sonakadi Rishi. Sutta Sonakadi Sangvad. You listen there. So this, now you are listening this Bhagavad Kathamritam. That is called the conversation between Sutta Goswami Pad and Sonakadi Rishi. Many people they don't know. Now we are listening this Bhagavad Katha from where? Who is the original speaker? Or who is the listener? This thing. Actually, this is the this is now Sutta Goswami and Sonakadi. This. So the Ekoda Numise Numisarane. So once Sutta Goswami, one Sutta Goswami part. Who is Sutta Goswami? First to listen. That the son of Lomaharsani. The son of Lomaharsan. Understand? When Baladev Prabhu and travel and Tirtha Yatra, when he came in this place, then one rishi, his name is called Lomaharshana. He was the speaker of Puran Vachak, Puran Katha. He is not speaking Bhagavad Katha. That time he was speaking Puran Katha and he was speaking Hari Katha. Sitting. So, when Baladev Prabhu came, he did not give respect to Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu became very angry. Hey, stupid nonsense. I am Akhanda Guru Tattva. You understand? Stupid nonsense. Speaking Harikatha. Or I am Akhanda Guru Tattva. You don't know how to give the respect to Guru. Then Baladev Prabhu became very angry. And Baladev took one kusagras. Kusagras, understand? Even you don't know kusagras, what will speak to you? This is calling you kusagras. Okay, now something is better than understand. Baladev Prabhu took the kusagras and cut his hair. Then, when Lomaharsan died, then everybody asked Baladev Prabhu, oh, we listen Hari Katha, Puran Katha, from Lomaharsan. So who will give Hari Katha? Lomaharsan is not ordinary person. Lomaharsan, when he spoke Hari Katha, then all the hairs stand and end. So for this regard, his name is called Lomaharsan. Understand? Lomaharsan. So all they asked Baladev Prabhu, you killed Lomaharsan. He said, who will speak Hari Katha to us? And that Lomaharsan's son, answer, his name is called Ugrasrava Sutta. Ugrasrava. Ugrasrava is very godly who is listening Hari Katha. For this regard, his name is called Ugrasrava. Srava means listen. Ugra means very eagerly, be attentively. One word listen. Some you listen, some not listen. Sleepiness coming. Some enter here, some not enter. Night time listen, sleeping or not? Not sleeping. Provided not sleep, then so his name is called, what name? Ugrasrava. What do you mean Ugrasrava? One who is very eagerly, we attentively listen Hari Katha. So for this regard, his name is called Ugrasrava. And Lomaharsan's son's name is called Ugrasrava. Ugrasrava Sutta. So for this, sometimes also explain either Lomaharsani. Lomaharsani means the son of Lomaharsan. As like son of Dasarath Maharaj, that is called Dasarathi. Dasarathi. The son of Dasarath Maharaj, the Ramchandra. Sometimes not saying direct the name Ramchandra. What is called? Dasarathi. Dasarathi means the son of Dasarath Maharaj. That is called Dasarathi. Ramachandra. Only no need to tell to Ramachandra. What is it? Dasarathi. Dasat, the son of Dasat Maharaj, that is called Dasarathi. So in the same way, son of what is it called? Lomharsan, or that is called Loma Harsani. Loma Harsani. Loma Harsani. Harsani. This is called Sanskrit. So now Ugra Sarvasut. That time Baladev Prabhu just blessing on his head. Okay, I am giving blessing to you. If by the cousins Master of Baladev Prabhu, then what is it called? Ugra Sarvasut. He start to speak Harikatha. A small boy. He start to speak Harikatha. This is called Guru Kripa. Answer, just touch the head, then he is speaking. Brahma Bhagavatam Sanatan Goswami Pad told this also Katha. What is it called? Sadhu Sangha Mahima, glories of Sadhu, association of Sadhu, Sadhu Sangha Mahima. And Gopkumar, he told his love, his life history. Look at this. Just giving blessing from his guru. Then everything is also manifested in his heart. Just touch there. Then Yatha Sarupavat. Sarubhi, that is called Gopkumar. His considered consul form, that is called Sarup. Are his disciple? What is the disciple of Gopkumar? Mathur Brahman. Yeah? Janasarma. So saying this, when Gopkumar touch his head, touch his hand on the head of Janasarma, but Sarupabhat, according to his guru, he also realized everything. Only listen, you cannot, realization will, Gyan will come. If you listen, Gyan will come. This is true. But if you listen, most of the people, they are not listening and sleeping. Sleeping or not? Listen. If you listen, then Gyan will come. Or Bigyan, realization will come. That is called mercy. This is that. And Gopkumar, he told all his realization, Anubhuti, to his disciple, Janasarva Mathur Brahman, but realization not coming. Then Gopkumar just, what is called? Touch his hand on his head, then everything is right. So, Nine Atma, Pravachana Labbo, no Midhaya, no Bahuna Sutino. Jami Vishabrinte Tena Labba, Tasis Atma, Vibrunte, Tanusam. This is called Kripa. Guru Kripa. This Guru Kripa is coming from three ways. Three ways. The Hardik, Bachik, and Alogdan. Remember, how will you get Guru Kripa? You are looking the Mahabhagavat. You don't know Mahabhagavat. Even the Mahabhagavat will come, what will do? Nothing. Understand? People, for this regard, many people, they confuse. They are making confused. Kripa is coming from three ways. Hardik, Bachik, and Alogdan. Understand? Hardik means in the heart, everything will manifest in you. Bachik with the words. Understand? Words, I am giving blessing to you. Chalo. Understand? Hardik, Bachik. Alogdan means giving his glance. This is the example of Sukdev Goswami Pad. Uttam Mahabhagavat. Who is Uttam Mahabhagavat? Just giving his glance. Then prem manifested. Sukdev Goswami Pad, when he entered in the forest, just his glance, all the trees completely absorbed in transcendental and prem, apragita prem. So saying jang prabjantaman pito pedakittam daipayana virha katura jvahava putriti tanmattaro bhinedu tang sarvabhuta hridayang mani manato usmin. Jang prabjanta manupeta abheda krittam daipayana virha katara ajvahava putriti tanmattaro bhinedu tang sarvabhuta hridayang muni manate usmin. So the actor, this sloka recited by Sutta Goswami Pad. Sutta Goswami Pad saying, my Gurudev, what can say his good? When he enters for just, when he gave the darshan, then all the trees, everything is what? Intoxicated with Krishna prema. But how do you know? Well, the tears rolling down from their eyes. All the trees, birds, the darshan. As well, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave darshan to everybody. Then prem manifested. Especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled Jharikhanda. You went or not? You did not go? Who went? Right, last time? No one go? You went? When? With me? Okay. Dancing, sing. All the, what is it called? Tiger, lion, snake, elephant, all the complete intoxicated Krishna Prabhu. Look this. So this Sukdev Goswami Pad is first explained this. Giving darshan. So saying, Jahar dur darsane aise Krishna prem. Krishna prem is just take darshan. Look this. This is called Aidiki Kripa. They did not perform bhajan and sadhana. Tiger laying down on the road. Midnight, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu waked up and chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Then tiger stood up. Then tiger will open his mouth. Big mouth, tiger mouth. Then Mahaprabhu's two servants, what is his name? Balbhadra Bhattacharya and one Brahman. They also traveled with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then afraid. Now all will enter in the mouth of tiger. Very good. Understand? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just a word saying. Bachik word. Hey, Krishna bolo. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Krishna Krishna boli vyagra nachite lagilo. Look this. When Lord Chaitanya, this is words, Bachik word. Mahaprabhu saying Krishna bolo. Then in the tiger raises two paws. And it's a dancing. Krishna, 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 Krishna. Not only tigers. And tiger, lion, or deer, monkeys, elephant, snake, all these. Look this. Bachik. This is called Bachik words. So saying, Krishna Krishna boli vyagra nachite lagilo. The tiger dancing. And all these false words, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Explain this. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, another night, another early in the morning, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was taking bath in the one pond. In the meantime, some mad elephants came. Matta was the mad elephant. Mahaprabhu and taking bath in the pond. Or Balbhadra Bhattacharya and Brahmana on the bank of the pond. In the winter, the elephant comes. Elephant very dangerous. What will do? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took water in his hand and throwing towards the elephant. Then elephant started to dance and chanting holy name. Eh? Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. So Hardik, Bachik, Alokdan. Many examples are given. Eh? So Guru Kripa, Bhagavad Kripa is coming in this. Hardik means in your heart manifest. All Tattva Siddhanta manifest. Eh? That is the example of Brahmaji. Eh? Lord Narayan did not tell anything to Brahmaji. Eh? But invested all his Shakti in the heart of Brahmaji. Tena Brahma Hrida Adi Kavaya Mujjanti Jat Surayo Tejo Bari Mridang Jata Vinimo Jata Trisargo Ambrisha Dhamna Sena Nirtam Kwakam Sattang Parang Dhimahi Valavindavan Vyari. Kripa is coming. Understand? But this Kripa means is what? Kripa. Kripa means you have to do activities. Pa means then you get. Seva karo, then pabe. Seva, you are servicing, then pabe. Sometimes ahituki also. Ahitu means causeless. That is very, very rare. But this is also. Understand? Gurudev, give mercy, give mercy. Kripa karo, kripa karo. Are you are saying kripa. Serve. Karo, tab to. Seva karo. You give fruits, then I will give to you. You are not giving out. So when coming, I collect. When the people are giving, I collect. And tell, hey, bring. When you heard the Costa Rican and some Jubadi gave, lot of, how is it called? Mani Manjari Didi. She gave. Not and anything. I told her, okay, this should not open. Okay. And when we, that day, yesterday you gave you not? Today before? Yeah. Okay. So they take it. And during it, take it, give to you. And then Toruni she brought, what is it called? Chocolate. What is it called? Australian chocolate. Brazil chocolate. Small one. I gave you or not? Those who are not coming, no problem. What to do? They are unfortunate. I did not take taste anything. I give or not you. Who got? You take chocolate? Small one. Somebody Holland, they are also bringing. What are you bringing? Cookies. And this. Take this. Kripa. Karo, then you get pa. Pa you get. Seva karo, meva pave. What is it? What is the meaning?
Serve and you will get
food. This is the process. And sometimes not in seva also get. That is called causeless mercy. So two kinds of mercy come. One is called hetu, and is called ahetu. Hetu means with cause, or ahetu means without cause. Okay. Malavindavan Vyaya. So Guru Kripa is coming two ways: Hardik, Bachik, and Alokdan. Understand? Even Guru also nourishment his disciples 4 ways. Learn everything. Every time you are speaking, but you forget. Guru nourishment his disciple how many ways? 4 ways. What is the 4 ways? Hola. Huh? Act like what is called fish. And fish they also taking all the small fish food. Huh? Read Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu explain. And that clearly. The small fish they also do. If any problem or danger is coming, that the fish making the sound. Then automatically all the fish, smaller fish, they also run. You have seen or not? Look. Huh? Many things you have not seen. You have to see. Then understand. Huh? Good or not? So in this way. Huh? Or second, as like bird. Bird is what? They give the lays the egg and keeping with. Huh? Then the what is small birds coming from the eggs. You have seen or not? Huh? Or third example is giving crocodile and crocodile. Crocodile gives the baby hard and he's watching with the glance. And if any danger will come, then crocodile will come very quick and attack the people. Understand? Crocodile and give the birth the baby on the hole and looking. And our third example as like tortoise. Huh? Fourth as like tortoise. Tortoise with the lead with the mind. Huh? Where the baby is giving. Huh? Understand? Western country, many people place also. And especially we heard in America, Miami beach, passionate. That place also, what is called? Reserved. We cannot see under the sand. And crocodile, they also remember. We'll forget, but they not forget. They remember they are there. In this way, Rupa Goswami Pad explain how Guru nourishment his disciples. But first is what is surrender. If you not surrender, to what will do? If you go to the here and there, as like cows, taking grass from this place, from this place. Understand? Especially in India, hey, listen. And some kind of bull, understand? And they are the useless. Useless means they are completely free. Bull, understand? Just that. Walking here and there, and no one taking care there. That types of bull, no one taking care. Understand? They are called, they belong to Lord Shiva. Nandi, that's it. Understand? And so they are running here and there. They are taking some grass, but something is from this place. Not fixed. And when the what is called passing the stool, what is it called? Cow dung. That is very liquid. Usually. So for this regard, one proverb saying "Sader gobar," meaning useless. Cow dung you can use. Making the how do you call fat? How do you call? Cow dung fatty. That you can use for fuels and something this way. He's saying cooking. Okay, no. Okay, just understand. Cow dung cooking. Use for cook. Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? Actually, he's saying this way. Use for cook.
Como se you
Huh?
use potato for cooking also. Como se same words.
Understand? Fine. So this way. Cow dung you can use many ways. Eh? But the stool of the bull, that's useless. Understand? You cannot make the nothing. Useless. So for this, sometimes people will also use this harsh words. Hey, you are as like the stool of the bull. Useless. Sander gobar. What is it? Sander gobar. Bolo. Kya bola? Sander gobar. Gobar means the stool of the bull. Useless.
In English, the same. You say bullshit.
Bullshit. What is it? Bullshit.
No. Bullshit.
Bull?
Shit.
Bullshit.
It's a bad word for stool.
You wouldn't use it's very rude.
Yeah, it's a very bad word.
Useless. Same one. Sander gobar. Proverbs good, eh? Sander gobar. कोई काम का नहीं. Sanda Amar ka. So what is Sanda and Amar ka? Sanda means this. Only produce the children. Not taking care, nothing. So for this guy, his name is called Sanda. Sanda means Sada. Sanskrit word. Sanda. Pagal. Understand? Remember this thing. So Guru nourishment his disciple and 4 ways, as like fish, birds, or crocodile, or truth. Understand? In this way, Guru nourishment his disciple. And one person is staying very far. So how Guru nourishment his disciple? Remember it. As like tortoise. A little bit far, not so much far. And with his glands. As like crocodile. Or another 2, very close. As like fish and birds. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Guru Kripa is coming this. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Follow. Now return back. 7:30 almost. Remember this thing. How Guru nourished his disciple. Hari Katha. If you not listen Hari Katha, useless. Sorry, go. What is saying?
Sorry, go.
Sorry, go.
Is it bad word?
Huh?
Is it a bad word?
Very bad one. Very bad one.
Not bad.
Not bad. Very, very bad. Don't tell to anybody. Then people will become very angry. Which one? That's a Bengali word. Proverbs. Understand the proverbs. Proverbs and hey, but a useless person, stupid nonsense, rascal. Sorry, go. हाँ हर जरूर उसके
Bad word, huh?
अरे you learn good words also learn some
Bad word.
bad words हाँ
How to become Brajavasi.
if you not learn to bad words how will become Brajavasi Brajavasi has to be learned hello Vrindavan हाँ जय जय श्री राधे अच्छा चलो हाँ don't become Anil Kumar
Creep it.